Philadelphia, which got very, very dangerous. We had to kind of draw back from that area because it got so dangerous. Our team was among a crowd that got fired on with tear gas and rubber bullets. We had a tear gas.
A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Duval, Florida, at 7:04 p.m. on May 31st, 2020, effective until 6:04 am John 1st, 2020. Mandatory curfew within the limits of Jacksonville, Duval County, Florida, starting tonight, 05/31/2020 at 8 p.m. till 06/01/2020 at 6 a.m. Only first responders, residential media, people traveling to and from work, individuals seeking emergency care, or people fleeing from danger are allowed to travel on city streets during the curfew time. Only first responders, residential media, people traveling to and from work, individuals seeking emergency care, or people fleeing from danger are allowed to travel on city streets during the curfew time.